Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, and I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be sharing something with you that you have never seen probably in your entire life. That's right, it's April Fool's and it's also Easter, coinciding on the exact same day. This has not happened in 62 years. Mind blown. I'm so excited to share all these pranks with you, so be sure to hit that like button and share this with all of your friends because this has probably not happened in their lifetime. You guys, let's do this. This first one is simple and evil. All you gotta do is take a regular egg and replace it with a hard-boiled egg, the ones that you typically color on Easter. You sit back and laugh as later someone cracks that thing open and egg goes everywhere. Here's a simple gag to pull on kids on Easter. Tie a fishing line to the plastic egg and then you can pull it as they're trying to go for it, maybe at an Easter egg hunt in your backyard. This reminds me of the classic dollar bill gag where you pull a dollar bill on a sidewalk. It wouldn't be Easter without some flour, so what you do is you get yourself a small vase, some Oreo cookies, crush up the Oreo cookies, fill it into the pot, and then add a little bit of the white Oreo part, make it look like fertilizer, and then stick in some plants. It looks like real dirt, and what you do in front of your mom or sister is dig in there and eat it. Guaranteed to freak them out. Here's a simple and cute Easter gag you can do around the house. Put some chocolate bunnies out on counters for people to eat, but behind them put little chocolate balls or chocolate chips looking like bunny poop. Easter pranks never tasted so good. So maybe you're having an Easter egg hunt in the back of your house. So what you do is you take plastic eggshells, epoxy them together, click, let them dry, and then the kids can't open them. So of course you don't want to ruin the experience for kids, so maybe have a few of those scattered around, or if you do all of them that way, then reset and have the real Easter egg hunt after. Maybe you like Brussels sprouts, maybe you don't. I hate them. A simple prank is to take some Brussels sprouts, cover them with chocolate, either with a chocolate fountain or melt the chocolate on your own, put some little colored sprinkles on top, place them on a dish, or stick them on lollipop sticks, and serve them to your guests. Another Easter egg prank idea is to leave the eggshells completely empty. No candy, no prizes, nothing. Scatter them around your yard and watch the kids go nuts trying to find nothing. Well, of course, at the end, you give the kids candy or treats or reset the Easter egg hunt. Don't be a jerk on Easter. Of course, instead of putting candy or prizes inside the Easter eggs, you could put vegetables. This is one of my favorite pranks around the holidays. Unfoil some chocolate balls, enjoy the chocolate, and replace them with grapes. Put them back in a bowl and serve them to your friends. If you want to prank or freak out the entire table at your Easter dinner, what you can do is take your turkey and cook a small turkey or chicken and put it inside, so when you serve it at the table, it looks like there was a baby inside. Well, of course, they lay eggs, but it doesn't matter. It's so visual and shocking, it will fool them. An evil prank to pull on a family member is to take a marshmallow peep, turn it over, carve out the inside of the marshmallow, and replace it with something like hot sauce or mustard, put it back down on its tray, and serve it. Be careful, you might be asking for a revenge prank if you do this. Pranks don't always have to be mean or scary. Here's a simple one for you. Cut out some bunny ears, stick them on a dozen eggs, draw on some eyes and noses, so it looks like a bunch of bunny eggs when you open up the fridge. Because I know you've liked and shared this video, I'll put a link in the description so you can print out a sheet of bunny ears for your eggs. Here's a great scare prank idea. Take an Easter basket, carve a hole in the bottom, put your hand up inside under the grass and candy, and then offer some treats to your friends. When they reach in, of course, reach up and scare the hell out of them. Here's an evil prank idea. Take a tube of chips that's empty, invert it, put an egg underneath it, and slip it onto a shelf carefully, so when the next person comes in to grab this container, they're gonna pull an egg onto themselves. Just a few more to go. If you can find a large enough stuffed bunny, open up the back, take out some of the filling, and hide inside and scare your brother or sister. It's Easter and there's plastic eggs everywhere filled with chocolates and toys, so what you do is you booby trap some, fill one with some liquid, snap it shut, and leave it in the Easter basket, or fill it with glitter. What a mess that will be! This idea is horrible and awesome at the same time. Get yourself a small, regular egg. You're gonna cover it with chocolate, either by melting chocolate or by placing it through a chocolate fountain. Then you're gonna have that dry and put it inside the foil of a chocolate egg, like a Cadbury egg. Put it aside and you just wait till someone bites into that thing. It is gonna be horrible and awesome. All right, friends, be sure to share this video with all your friends. And remember, it's been 62 years since Easter and April Fools have coincided. I'm going to be doing a giveaway as usual. I'm going to give away one of my Natural Born Trickster t-shirts. So just comment down below and let me know you're a subscriber. I'll pick a random name. I'll send it off to one of you guys. So happy April Fools, happy Easter, happy April Fool's Easter Day, happy Easter Fool's Day. I don't know what it is, but have fun. Catch you next week. Peace.